teach you how to uh, how to make a cartoon. First of all, I had given command give me prompt for the story of parrot and a small girl. You have give your own your own choice. Okay, it will give the prompt. Then I said ChatGPT that divide this story in different parts. So if it divide the story in different parts, then uh, you have to open your uh, YouTube channel, then shorts. Okay, in shorts you have to video. Okay, if you click on this one, then face the first thing which I have taken, and right here make a cartoon. Okay, then click on create. It will create a cartoon for you. Okay, you can change it by your own choice. Okay, it will give me an animated cartoon. We are waiting, it's completing. Okay,
Good morning. Hi, how are you? I'm doing well, thanks for asking.
okay.
Morning.
Now we have
Hi,
to
how
click
are you?
on next. After processing, it will give me complete video.
Good
Now I
morning.
will
Hi,
go
how
back.
are you?
I will
I'm
click
doing
on
well,
back.
thanks for asking.
Okay. Second script that I have created through ChatGPT, and I will paste it. Click on create video, then then paste it, and right here make a cartoon. Okay, then click on create. It will again create another video. My video is ready. Okay,
Hani
it
upnu
will give
banne kelu bagin padlavara pattara.
then I
Amasanu
will
kan
click on next. After next, it will process it and give me. Okay, now
Good morning.
I have
Hi,
to
how are
go
you?
back, copy the third script that I have created through GPT. I copied it. I am clicking on create video. Then I am pasting here and a make a cartoon. Make a cartoon. So then I will click on create. It will create the third script. The video is uh, okay. Now I will
Listen.
click on next. It will process it. Then
How are
I
you?
will
I'm
click on back. I copied fifth script from ChatGPT. Create video. Then I paste it and give the same command as earlier I had given. Create. It will prepare my cartoon. Fifth, script video. One thing I want to tell you that yesterday I had created many videos through this method. So at night when I tried, it doesn't create the video and give a message unable to retry. Then I waited and uploaded in other videos. So you have to make your own voice with the video, etc. It will give
Good
you problem.
morning.
Now I am processing it by clicking next. I am copying the script number 6. Okay, and copied it. Create video. Then click on how to paste it and make a cartoon. One thing you noted that I am writing a make a cartoon. Why I'm writing here is make a cartoon because it sometimes give a message that I am unable to create a real time person or person or human, etc. So that's why I am writing here is a cartoon. You have to go with your own thought.